Cornwall College's chances of copping a double in the Issa rural area Burger King on the 16 and on the 14 competitions were dashed on Wednesday following the semi-finals at Stets. Cornwall College were heavily fancied for the double, but only the under-16s were able to make it to the title decider. They beat Rossey's High 4-1 to book their place. Smarting from the under-14s defeat, the under-16s took little time in making a statement, Jared Sargent getting things going with a third-minute goal. But Rossey's would respond with a 36th-minute equalizer through Xavier Bourne. However, 2 minutes into first-half stoppage time, Kemoy Brown restored the lead for the red and gold standard bearers. The second half was over to Mikai Foster, who got a double. His first came in the 56th to make it 3-1. And he finished off the evening with his second in stoppage time. Cornwall's opponents in the final will be decided on Friday when Clarendon College opposed the Glenmuir High.
The boys promised me from last year that they're coming out to give me this, so it's a great feeling. They've already played the Costa Cup this year. They just come down onto the under-16 and they have a buzz going in, thinking that they should have at least went to the final in the Costa Cup. Now they want to win it all at under-16.
Earlier, Cornwall College surrendered a 2-1 lead and were beaten 7-6 on penalties by Garver Maceo in the under-14s. It was Garver Maceo who took the lead in the 35th through Kenrick Clark. But Cornwall hit back in first-half stoppage time through Shani Stevens. With 5 minutes to play in the encounter, Cornwall took the lead through Jaden Smith. But Tijon Peters had other ideas and pulled Garver Maceo level on the stroke of full time. It was then down to the dreaded penalties, where Garver Maceo prevailed 7-6 from the spot.
It's a final again. We have to feel extremely happy. We are very happy. We are happy for the boys, all the work, all the sacrifice they have put in. We are here to fight again at a final. So this leads us to be at least even the top 2 team in the under-14 competition in the rural area. So we are very elated and happy. It's a penalty shootout. No one is considered a winner in a penalty shootout. It's a dreaded penalty shootout, but we are happy that we came out victorious.
Garver Maceo's opponents in the final will be William Knibb, who were also winners on penalties over Belair. The two met on Thursday at Glenmuir, with William Knibb taking the lead 4 minutes into the second half. Belair hit back 2 minutes from time to push the game to penalties. However, William Knibb kept their nerves from the spot to prevail 3-2.
First, just thank the Almighty, because we all pray. But when you pray and believe, just consider it given. And right throughout this, coming here, I felt we had it. And I have to thank the Lord. In terms of the game itself, it's difficult. You know, sometimes I tell people we want to play beautiful football, but it's never easy dealing with those balls lumping forward, a direct play with big guys up there. I think they made it very difficult for us, and one of the things that they do so well is their transition from attack to defense. They swarm you, and it makes it difficult for us. Now we just have to learn to be better with our technique and move the ball a bit quicker.
The finals are set for either March 12 or 13.